In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do a roadmap Miro. To begin, open Miro and go to a new board. Starting from a fresh board is helpful because it gives you a clean workspace and makes it easier to focus on the roadmap structure instead of adjusting around older content. Once your new board loads, take a moment to notice the main canvas area in the center. This is where your roadmap will live and where you will move items around as plans change. Next, click on Template. Templates are a fast way to build a roadmap because the layout and common sections are already prepared for you. This saves time and also helps you follow a format that teams recognize, such as timelines, phases, and grouped priorities. When you open the template panel, you will see options and a search field that helps you find the right layout quickly. Now, go to the search bar and type what you need. For example, you can type roadmap to narrow the results to roadmap-related templates. As you type, look through the results and choose a template that matches your style of planning. Some are simple and timeline-based, while others are organized by quarters, themes, or work streams. Pick one that fits how you plan to present work to your team. After you insert the template onto your board, spend a little time exploring it before you edit anything. Read the headings, labels, and any example content. This will show you how the template is meant to be used and where key information usually goes. Then start customizing. Replace placeholder text with your own roadmap items, adjust dates or phases, and rename sections to match your project. You can also add or remove rows and columns if the template includes a grid, or resize elements to give more room to important areas. As you edit, keep your wording consistent so the roadmap is easy to scan. Short, clear titles work best, and it helps to group related work into the same section. Continue filling in the template until it reflects your plan. When you are done, you will have a roadmap board that is structured, readable, and ready to share or present. That covers everything you need to know.